Hello, check. Hello. For motion, item number 1. Yes, more.
Last occasion, I already did second day, 25. The government was given an instruction to go with.
Second May,
Yes, second. May 20.
eligible for regular in terms of, I think after that,
Yes,
I think the government has submitted one letter
yes,
saying that your case is being considered.
Lordship. Now, as per the instruction received from the department, Lordship, my seniority position is available for me, that is the stand of the government.
Yeah.
Whereas as far as the 2015 office memorandum is concerned, seniority position may not be relevant because once I complete 30 years, I become eligible for consideration. So if a direction may be issued to consider my case for regularization, since I'm eligible, the department has also done this new license where I'm eligible for consideration.
We can just issue a direction to consider your case in the light of this letter and in terms of the OM data. So that's all. Because seniority, you are also. Okay, we'll dispose on the basis of this letter. Okay, yes, yes. Order. For motion, item number 2. Disposal.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The Lordship, on the last occasion on 20 May 2025, I was instructed to obtain instruction as to the status of the error in salary of the petitioner.
Correct.
Whereas I have a prayer that from the department for 2 more weeks, by which time to provide all the relevant documents. I'm not sure.
Because if you have released him from service on 30/11/2024,
Yes.
then in that case, I think the petitioner should be entitled to the error salary from 2/1/2020 to 30/11/2024 at least.
Correct information.
And that is his only prayer.
Yes. But there's one, I think clerical mistake in the date of the release. Where, so on them.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
2 weeks,
we
Lordship.
instruct, tell him to get necessary instructions.
Lordship.
Mr. M. Longcomer, the Lieutenant Government Advocate, is further allowed 2 weeks' time to receive necessary instructions as ordered by this court on 25/2025. Listed accordingly. Okay.
God bless you,
Yes,
Lordship.
sir. From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 15. Yes, Mr. Tiba.
May I have this Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, this instant IA is filed for extension of period for compliance of order dated 27/9/2024 passed under TBC number 221.
So what is that order? Let us see.
Lordship, may kindly see page number
27/9.
Yes, Lord.
When was the last date? In the order?
Page 8, your lordship, McGovern, see page 8, Annex A. In the
Page 11, come to page 11.
yes. Direction has been given to comply on or before 31st/1/2025.
So that date is expired.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, I have received instruction that the petitioner case is before the PNR for clearance, my lord. So,
Okay.
your lordship, may kindly see the page number 12. Annex of B series 1. May I read, my lord?
That's all right. Where is the reason stated for extension? Two.
Para 2 and 3.
We cannot allow 6 months, we allow 3 months.
My lord, due to the lengthy process, my lord,
I
it's
know.
taking time, my lord.
Think about the other side also.
Yeah. So since it is before the PNR, so their case will be forwarded to the finance for clearance. Thereafter, it will forward to MRC, and thereafter it will forward to the cabinet. So it will take time, my lord. Since we are under consideration, my lord, your
But-
lordship,
Mr. E. Tibapu, the little government advocate for the state/applicant. Stop. The present application has been filed, seeking for extension of time for compliance of this honorable court's order dated 27/9/2024, passed in WPC number 221/2024. By the order dated 27/9/2024. This court had disposed the writ petition with a direction to the state respondents to consider the case of the petitioner in terms of the scheme frame for regularization and notified by the OM dated 17/3/2015, and to bring the process to its logical end, to its logical conclusion, as expeditiously as possible, preferably on or before 31/1/2025. Stop. The ground cited for extension of time is recited in paragraph 2 entry of the application. Stop. This court, having considered the submission made by the learned government advocate, as well as on perusal of the application, is inclined to grant, is inclined to extend the period for complying with the order dated 27/9/2024 by 4 months from today.
at least, my lord, 5 months, my lord.
It is, stop, it is made clear that There shall be no further extension of time. And the state respondents shall comply with the order dated 27/9/2025, passed in WPC 221/2024 within the time extended by this court. The application stands disposed. Okay.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 16.
Please, my
Yes,
lordship.
Mr. Seti.
The applicants are petitioners 2, 3, and 4 in WPC 51 of 2025, which is pending before the Honorable Court, lordship. The applicants, they want to remove themselves as petitioners.
You are the counsel for the petitioner?
Yes, my lord, for all the petitioners. The petitioner number 1 will remain, but 2, 3, and 4.
One is
One is not an applicant in the IN.
who are the applicants?
The applicants are petitioners 2, 3, and 4
Applicants are petitioner.
in WPC 51.
Applicants are petitioner, just wait. 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Nagama.
Your Lordship, yes, Your Lordship, even if they withdraw their name, that is not going to change the facts of the case, so I have got no objection, my lord.
Mr. Santiago, the learned counsel for the applicant. The stop. New para. The present application has been filed under Order 1, Rule 10, Clause 2 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908 for deletion/removal of the applicants. Removal of the names of the applicants, who are the petitioner number 2, 3, and 4 in WPC 51/2025. Mr. Santiago, the learned counsel for the applicant, by referring to paragraph 3 of the application, submits that the petitioners do not wish to press the case any further against the respondents and desire to live in peaceful coexistence, being members of the same village. Stop. Mr. Enangami, the learned senior government advocate, has no objection for deleting the name of the applicants from as the writ petitioner number 2, 3, and 4 in WPC 51/2025. In view of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, the applicants, who are the petitioner number 2, 3, and 4, are deleted/removed from the array of the petitioners in WPC 51/2025. Application stands disposed.
Lordship, I may be allowed to file the amended cost title, lordship,
Yes.
within a period of 2 days.
The learned counsel for the petitioner shall file the amended cause title in the main writ petition. Within a period of
2 days, my lord.
2 days from today. Okay.
I will deeply
Obliged.
obliged.
For motion, item number 17.
Yes.
May I please mention.
Mm.
Lordship, item 82 is the application for amendment. After the writ petition was filed and His Honorable Court was pleased to grant an interim
82,
order. Yes, ma'am.
application for amendment.
Yes, ma'am. 82 is the
And
application.
what is 81?
81 is for stay of the subsequent development.
So 82, we first take up
Yes,
82.
first 82. Yes, Your Lordship. First 82. As Your Lordship, got IA 82.
Yes.
If we can come straight to page 19. Page 19. This is a memorandum dated 15th May 2025. Agenda number 2, ILP. Has Your Lordship got it? At the,
No, why you want to amend?
I have the
Which
inform-
para?
I have the
Which para you have stated for amendment?
paragraph, Your Lordship, paragraph 3. Fine. As mentioned in paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 of my petition, application. All the amendments are incorporated them.
Insertion of paragraph 40. You want to make amendment to paragraph 40?
Include new paragraphs now, man. Insertion of new paragraphs 40, 41, 42,
Include new paragraphs at 40,
41, 42, 43,
40,
44.
41, 42, 43, 44.
Additional prayer at B,
An additional prayer
at B. At page 11, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. MT.
Lordship, regarding the amendment,
Yes.
I have no such objection, but it relates to the cabinet decision of 15/5/2024, 25. So.
No, today we are not coming to that. Today we just allow if you have no objection, we allow the petitioner to make necessary amendments. Then he will file the recast petition. That's all.
Basing on the record, I have no.
Only after filing the recast petition,
Yes.
then we can go for
Yes,
the stay.
Yes.
Your Lordship, if I may, even the IA can be taken up independently.
No, not for all this. Unless you file the recast petition.
We don't usually follow it otherwise, Your Lordship. In other places, they usually file stay applications separately.
Heard Mr. Ejimon, the learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. The application has been filed, seeking leave of this court to permit the applicant to amend the petition in WPC number 72/2025. Stop. The proposed amendment is for inclusion of new paragraphs in the writ petition, namely paragraph 40, 41, 42, 43, correct?
Yes, my lord.
44, 44, 44. And the additional prayer B.
Additional prayer. B is just a heading, my lord.
And additional prayer.
Yes. Lordship as contained in paragraph 3 of the application.
Yes, as projected in paragraph 3 of the application. Mr. Im Tim Sung, the learned additional AG, there's no objection to the applicant amending the writ petition as prayed for in the application. Stop. In that way of the matter, the applicant is allowed to amend the writ petition by incorporating paragraph 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and the prayer portion as set out in paragraph 3 of the application. Stop. The petitioner shall accordingly file amended writ petition within
Within a week, man.
1 week from today. The application stands disposed. Okay. IA 81, I think we'll take up on the next date. Okay. Yes.
Very well, man. Let that be mentioned, Your Lordship. I-81.
Well, it's all right. You file your amended this thing.
Since it is listed, man, let it be, it'll be taken up the next date.
The IA 81/2025 shall be taken up for consideration only after filing the amended writ petition. Okay.
Lordship line. Yes.
For motion, item number 18.
Yes, madam. What is your case?
Lordship,
Burma?
the petitioners are approaching this court seeking indulgence, Lordship,
Uh,
because their cause involuntarily displaced during the construction of Chakabama's Nibato Road, Your Lordship. Their land, buildings, compounds were all destroyed, Lordship. So, on 2 occasions, Lordship, on 22nd February 2024, there have been, in fact, prior to that also, there have
What
been.
is your representation, madam? What is your representation? To pay you compensation?
Yes, to
Let us see.
assess.
Let us see.
Yes,
Let
Lordship.
us see your representation to assess and pay you compensation.
Lordship, yes, to
Let
address
us-
the issue, Lordship.
Let us see your representation.
Lordship, it's in page number 26, Lordship.
26. 26, I requested you due to physical earth cutting. Okay, heard. MS Nito Koza, the learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner in brief is that during the construction of 2-lane Chakapama-Zinaboto Road, the lane building and other structures of other standing structures of the petitioners were destroyed. And this resulted in involuntarily displacing the petitioners from their homes and land, correct?
Lordship, yes.
The petitioner has accordingly submitted the representation dated 22/2/2024 to the Deputy Commissioner Peg Nagaland.
And subsequent representation dated
Deputy
29 April.
Commissioner- Where is that 29?
Lordship, it's in page number 39, Lordship. A joint representation submitted by both the petitioners.
And 29/4/2024 to the Deputy Commissioner Peg Nagaland.
Additional Deputy Commissioner.
Within a slash, additional Deputy Commissioner Chazuba Peg District,
Lordship.
additional Deputy Commissioner Chazuba District Peg to properly verify the land for the purpose of assessing compensation for the properties destroyed. Stop. The representation submitted by the petitioners has, however, not evoked any positive response. Stop. Being agreed, the present petition has been filed. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable
My lord, may I please?
after 4 weeks. Mr. Im Tim Sum, the learned additional AG, appears for the state respondent, and Mr.
Yarwadi.
So-and-so, learned counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. Yangarwati, learned CGC. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the respondents in the case. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsel for the respondents
Within 2 days, Lordship.
within a period of 3 days from today. Okay.
Oblige, your Lordship.
Oblige.
For admission, item number 3.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, here I've received the affidavit in opposition filed by the performer respondent number 8. Your lordship, however, we won't be filing any affidavit.
8, that is me, my lord, but my name is not reflected in the Valgalatnama. The Jalukhi Village Council.
We have only 7.
The 8 was impleaded, my lord, subsequently.
8 is, who is 8?
The Jalukhi Village Council.
One to 6. Mr. Ijmomi, by which order you were implemented? Because actually even the office note does not indicate anything.
Lordship, by order dated,
In IA,
yes, my
IA.
lord, yes. Order dated 20 March 2025.
Let us see which IA.
And
IA number 28 of 2025.
Oh. You have not filed the amended course title after this?
Your Lordship, I have already filed.
I filed the amended course title.
Yes, my lord.
Well, actually. Oh, notice issued upon respondent number 8 by registered post.
Maybe the correction hasn't been done in the file, Your Lordship.
Yes. Amended course title. Your amended course title is not here. So. Okay. Okay. Amended petition, okay. So, all Jaluki village,
Yes, ma'am.
a pro forma respondent?
Performer respondent.
Yes, madam, what is your?
Your Lordship, I've received the counter file by the performer respondent number 8. Your Lordship, however, we won't be filing reply.
What about the others, ma'am?
Your Lordship, the state has already filed, Your Lordship.
Any other? Any other respondent, ma'am?
Number 7.
7, you filed,
Yes.
okay. So we listed for hearing,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay? MS so-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she has received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 8. She however submits that it will not be necessary for the petitioner to file reply to the affidavit submitted by the respondent number 8. Stop. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that hearings are completed and the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed in the usual course. Okay.
Your Lordship, my name may be reflected.
Yes, the name of Mr. A. Jimomi as the learned counsel for the respondent number 8 shall be reflected in the daily course list. Stop. Registry to take steps accordingly.
For admission, item numbers 4 and 5.
Please, Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, I received the parawise comment this morning. So I pray that 3 weeks' time may be granted to file my affidavit.
Okay, this is item number 4 and 5. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, we filed our additional affidavit as directed by this honorable court this morning.
You want to file, you have received instructions. Mr. Ejmomi, you're also here.
Yes, madam. I'm representing the respondent number 6, the High Court in both the cases. Item 4 and 5. In fact, we have already filed our affidavit.
High Court is one of the respondents.
Yes, ma'am.
But in 58.
Respondent number 6 in both the writ petitions, ma'am.
You were subsequently impleted.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. I don't know. 58. Six, okay. By which order you were asked to file affidavit? What affidavit?
17/4/2025.
17/4.
In WPC 59.
Yes, madam, so you filed your affidavit? Yes. Okay. MSB Secretary. The learned additional AG submits that she has received the instructions and will be filing affidavit within a period of 3 weeks from today. This the case?
Your Lordship, my presence may be.
Yes, after 4 weeks. The name of Mr. A. Jamomi, Learned Standing Counsel for the Gauhati High Court Kohima bench shall be reflected.
It is reflected, my lord. My presence today may be shown, my lord.
Okay. Mr. A. Jamomi, the Learned Standing Counsel for the Gauhati High Court, present for the respondent number six
In both the cases.
in both the writ petitions. Okay.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 6.
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, here the state has already filed.
Huh,
I am praying on behalf of the petitioner.
you were supposed to file affidavit in reply.
Your Lordship.
2 weeks' time is allowed. Your Miss Yakuk Kokla,
No,
have you filed your affidavit in reply?
Your Lordship, kindly this
Okay.
the matter after 2 weeks.
MS, your good name?
Kala.
So and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner is further allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Okay.
Obliged.
Listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 7.
Your Lordship,
Mr. Subhamwati,
on the last occasion, the counsel for the city produced a document showing that the petitioner number 1 has been regularized, Your Lordship. And then now petition number 1, informed this morning that other co-petitioners have been also regularized. So I met to ascertain whether regulation order has been issued or not. So I may be granted 1 week's time. Your Lordship.
okay, Mr. Subhamwati Walling, the learned counsel for the petitioner is granted a week's time to obtain necessary clarifications from the petitioner. Listed accordingly.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 8.
Lordship, I've received the affidavit in position filed by the state lordship. Lordship, I pray that 2 more weeks' time may be granted to me to file the reply, lordship.
Mr. Your good name?
V. Serial lordship.
V. Siri.
Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner is further allowed 2 weeks' time to file reply affidavit. Stop. Listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 9.
None appears for the parties and co. Listed after 4 weeks.
For admission, item numbers 10 to 12.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, Mr. Enangami.
Lordship, in the item 10, I'm appearing for respondent 1, 3, and 4. And in item 11 and 12, I am for respondent number 1, 2, and 3, your lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, yes, state, I have received the parawise command, your lordship. If 3 weeks can kindly be granted to file my affidavit, my lord.
Okay.
Respondent number,
Any private parties?
Lok Ayukta, your lordship, is the respondent number 4.
Have you taken steps on Lok Ayukta
Yes, Lordship.
by registered post as well as by Dusty and have you filed affidavit?
Yes, Lordship. I filed the affidavit
When?
on 19. I
Nine-
filed the affidavit on 19.
9-5. Had MS Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. N. Angami, a learned government advocate, learned senior government advocate for the state respondents. By the order dated 9/5/2025, the petitioner was allowed 10 days time to serve notice upon the respondent number 2, that is Lok Ayukta, by registered post as well as by dusty process, and to file affidavit to that effect. The petitioner has taken steps as ordered on 9/5/2025 and has filed the affidavit 25/2025 to that effect. Notice upon respondent number 2, correct?
Yes.
Is accordingly deemed served. Stop. Mr. N. Angami, the learned senior government advocate, submits that he has received the instructions and will be filing the affidavit in opposition in 3 weeks' time. Listed after 4 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
Courtship, there is injury.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Obliged.
For orders, item number 13.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I have not filed my Bagalan number, but I have instruction to appear for respondent number 2. And I have been instructed that we are withdrawing the case before the tribunal. Election tribunal. But only problem
So
is.
what happens, Mr. Jimomi, if they withdraw the case?
If they withdraw this case, then automatically my declaration becomes infructuous. But withdrawal should proceed. Withdrawal should
Of
proceed.
course, of course.
Because of
There
the-
should be an order.
Yes.
of withdrawal.
Because of the stay order, the proceeding cannot be conducted. I cannot withdraw the case in the tribunal.
Liberty to file an application for withdrawal.
Yes.
Okay. What is the proceeding before the
So,
Lokayukta?
election petition on the, before the election tribunal for municipal councils and town councils.
Mr. A. Jimomi, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And
In some time period.
Mr. M.S. Inahuli, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. M. Timson, the learned additional AG for the state respondents. Stop. Mr.
I am Your Lordship.
Ayimchan.
Yes, yes.
Mr. Ayimchan, learned counsel submits that he has instructions to appear on behalf of the respondent number
2.
Respondent, who is respondent number 2?
The election petitioner, my lord.
The respondent number 2.
Yes.
However, he is yet to file the power. And accordingly, 6/4, how many days to file the power?
I have already instruction to withdraw the petition, Your Lordship. The election
But
petition.
without power, at least,
Yes, you must file.
Okay, then 2 days, Your Lordship.
give me what was that? That means that the power will be filed within a period of
2 days.
2 days from today. Okay,
Yes, Your Lordship.
so we list the case up to 2 days.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in the meantime, as submitted, if you wish to withdraw liberty, if you wish to withdraw, notwithstanding the stay order, Your Lordship.
In the meantime, it is submitted by Mr. I. M. Kong,
Your Lordship.
I. M. Chen, the learned counsel, but without power, I think, can we record all this? No, no, no. I think after 2 days.
After the.
After 2 days, okay, you file the power and you make submission, then, okay. Listed again on Friday. Can
Yes,
you?
Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
That will be sixth.
Yes,
Okay,
Madam. Yes.
listed again on 6/6/2025.
Much
Much
obliged.
obliged.
Yes.
For hearing, item number 14.
Mr. Limawabang.
Yes, sir.
I am sorry. I think I will not be able to take up any hearing matters. We release it from Part Hut. Listed when we listed after 2 weeks. Release the case from Part Hut. And listed after 2 weeks. Okay.